Hi everyone, today I'm going to show you a quick and easy way to be able to completely understand how to compare fractions using greater than and less than. So let's go ahead and go to my favorite virtual manipulative website, which is Toy Theater. Whenever you start to search Toy Theater, be sure to include the word fraction strips in your search. You can click on that very first link. And whenever you do, this page should pop up. So let's go ahead and compare two fractions. Let's say we want to compare the fraction 2/4 to 2/3. Sometimes you might think, well, 4 is larger than 3, so you might want to say that 2/4 is the larger fraction. But sometimes that's not always the case. So let's go ahead and use our virtual manipulatives to figure out why. So we're going to take the fraction 2/4. We need to make sure that we use the correct unit fraction. So our unit fraction is a smallest form a fraction can take with a 1 as the numerator. So 2/4. We need to make sure our denominator stays the same. So we need to have a 4 as the denominator. And I need 2 of them to create 2/4. 1/4 plus 1/4 equals 2/4. My second fraction is 2/3, so I need to make sure I'm using the correct unit fraction. Since 3 is in my denominator, I need to make sure my unit fraction also has a 3 as the denominator, so 1/3 will be my correct unit fraction. And since my fraction is 2/3, I will need 2 1/3. 1/3 plus 1/3 equals 2/3. So now we have the virtual manipulative representation of 2/4 compared to 2/3. Whichever fraction goes on the farthest is the larger fraction. Here we can see that 1/3 goes past 1/4. So we would say that 2/3 is larger than 1/4. So if we wanted to read it as a correct comparison statement, we would say 2/4 is less than 2/3. I hope you were able to enjoy this video. Go ahead and try some on your own.